Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to give you a little bit of a walking tour of Jaco, Costa Rica. It's a beautiful day. Let me just turn the camera around and so I can show you a little slice of my paradise. So this is my future home. It's official, Solea. And this is the lot. Construction's supposed to start in July. They're in the permitting process right now. So this is what it's going to look like, beachfront pool. I will be making a video about this place in the upcoming future.
What are the odds? I look back at this video, the gal that's sitting at the bus stop with her back toward me. It's funny because I took a second take. That's someone I went out with about a year and a half ago when I was here. A mutual friend set us up, and she was cool. It just, we had different, let's just put it this way, we had different motivations. And that just brings me, while I walk, the thought of being single, being better off. I'm telling you, at the youth of my senior years, I'm going to be 59, I have been in a few relationships, back when I was younger too, a few long-term relationships and quite a few short-term relationships. Never married, no kids, and you know, it is what it is. It just got me thinking as I walk that I'm very blessed. Now, sometimes, you know, I spend time alone, and it is what it is. In my opinion, I would rather be alone than with someone who injects drama, expense, and just someone that I don't mesh with, you know, that we sometimes don't have the same goals in life. And I guess I'm set in my ways. I get up, I do what I want, when I want, and there's a lot to be said for that. Now, sure, I would like to have someone in my life to maybe grow old with, but that just hasn't happened for me. In today's dating pool, I don't know if it's going to ever happen. But anyway, let's get back to the video at hand, which is, let me show you downtown Jaco, getting off on my rant here while I walk. But just, yeah, I'm in a good spot right now. So I enjoy making these videos, if anything, to have an archive. There's a channel that I followed called Naz, where they show things from the 30s and 40s sometimes, and it's like going back in time. So I'm going to be quiet, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned towards the end, because I come across a surf competition that's happening here this weekend. And this weekend is going to be busy here. Not only is there a surf competition here in town, there's a little carnival at the park, and I'll try to get some footage of that. And also, this is the weekend coming up to Semana Santa. Semana Santa is basically a national holiday here the whole week. Even today, as I shoot this, today is Friday, March 11th. Probably see this, do some editing, upload it tomorrow. So this weekend, it's definitely going to be busy. I'm going to try to make a video from the surf competition and all the other activities happening around town. So I've said too much already, and I will, hopefully you enjoy the rest of the video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are on, are you happier if you're single, if you're married? They say if you're married, I don't know what to say, you're miserable, and if you're single, you're lonely. So I don't know which one is best, but life is a journey, okay?
Gracias.
Well, I definitely got my steps in today, and I'm going to start doing a lot more walking. The beach here is about a 2 kilometer walk, but from the condo altogether, I've been walking almost 2 miles after this, but I'm going to head down here to the surf competition. In all fairness, the gal that was at the bus stop that I mentioned earlier, she was working 12-hour days, 6 days a week. She's a single mother, and so she had a lot on her plate. And that's really the main reason why we didn't gel. Just she didn't have time, and I respect that. So, but anyway, let's move forward. I always appreciate you guys watching, and I do appreciate when you take time out of your day to watch my videos. So, till the next video, Take care.